What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa. Today's video is about 5 things that every man should have in his bathroom. These 5 things, in my opinion, make your bathroom a lot cooler. I know that a lot of guys don't really care about their bathrooms, but you should. You spend a lot of time there, whether you're doing your skincare, taking showers, or doing your business, which we won't get into, but let's jump into the first thing, and that is an electric toothbrush. A lot of guys are still using the manual toothbrush. It is not nearly as effective as an electric toothbrush. I don't know if you guys know this, but my girlfriend Robbie used to be a dentist back in Australia before she moved here to the US. So anytime she sees anyone using a manual toothbrush, she immediately freaks out. She's like, why are they doing that? It just doesn't work. She also saw that I was using this toothbrush that she didn't like. It was still electric, but it just wasn't the right one. And she went ahead and bought me one that she's like, no, this is the one you should be using. And for you guys that are curious, this is the one she recommended. The second thing that every guy definitely needs in his bathroom are masculine skincare products, right? A lot of guys use girls' skincare products. That's okay. I've done that before. I used to steal skincare products from my ex back in the day, but now Robbie steals my skincare products. Also, when it's a men's skincare product, it just looks different, right? It's made for men. It has more of a masculine look. It doesn't look feminine. So it's cool to like display it on your counter, to display it in your shower. It actually looks really good. And I definitely kept that in mind when I came up with the packaging for Africa Skincare, my new skincare brand that launched this weekend. It's brand new. I'm so excited to finally have it out there. We just launched 3 products: the face wash, the moisturizer, and the exfoliating scrub. If you guys are still washing your face with a bar of soap or like really bad skincare products from drugstores, it's time to change it up. It's time to elevate, it's time to upgrade. And we created these products from scratch. We've been working on this for over 2 years now, so it's finally out. Let me talk to you about the ingredients in the face wash. Jojoba seed oil, so it's gonna moisturize your face as it's cleansing. We have cucumber extract. We have aloe vera. We have peppermint oil. All great ingredients that are going to cleanse your face and get rid of those acne-causing bacteria. Now, if you didn't know this already, then you need to wash your face twice a day with the face wash. In the morning before you get your day started, and then at night after your day is over, before hitting the pillow and smushing your dirty face all over the pillow for 8 hours. The next thing you need to do is moisturize your face right after you use the face wash. Our lightweight moisturizer does not leave your skin feeling greasy or sticky or oily. This is actually lightweight and it gets absorbed by your skin very, very quickly. I absolutely hate it when I put on a moisturizer and my skin just looks really oily, right? When I come on camera, it just looks like I'm sweaty. That's not the look that we're going for. So this moisturizer does not do that. I'm so happy with this formula. Our moisturizer is infused with avocado oil, cucumber extract, hydrolyzed proteins, and peppermint oil. And the packaging, I mean, I just could not be happier with how this looks. It looks legit. It looks very high end. I'm so excited with the way that this turned out. This is going to look good on your counter. And last but not least, a product that a lot of guys skip for some reason, but in my opinion, it's one of the most, if not the most important product in your skincare routine, and that is an exfoliating scrub. Now, this product specifically has small beads of pumice, which strip away all of those dead skin cells that are just laying on your skin that do not look very clear, very bright. They're kind of dull. Right? So it scrubs all of that away, reveals fresh, bright skin. And this specific product just makes my skin feel so good. It feels fresh. It's like, basically just feels like you just have a new face on. There's no better way to explain it. Once you guys use it, you'll understand, and then just let me know in the comments. Like, it basically changes the way that you look and the way that your skin feels immediately. And this is a product that you do not use every day. You use this twice a week, and that is about it. Guys, we just launched this weekend. I would love for you to try it out. I'm gonna leave the first link in the description below here. It's africasskincare.com. And to make things even better, we're gonna give you guys 20% off and free shipping if you subscribe so that you receive these products every 2 months. All of that is in the first link in the description below. Go check it out, and thank you guys so much for the support on the launch of Africa Skincare. The third thing that every guy definitely needs to have in his bathroom, and it's something that when I put this in my bathroom, it changed my life, man. It just feels so luxurious. I am talking about memory foam mats. It seems like overkill at first, like really? Do you really need memory foam on a mat to step out of the shower into? And The answer is hell yeah, man. You really do, because it makes a huge difference. As soon as you get out of the shower, you're kind of cold, right? It's a little uncomfortable, and you step onto a really nice memory foam mat that, by the way, costs like 20 bucks. It's life-changing. It is the most luxurious feeling in the world. It feels so nice. And like I said, for 20 bucks, I mean, getting a luxurious feeling for $20, it's hard to find, right? So the memory foam mat is definitely gonna provide you with that feeling. And I don't know if you guys have ever experienced memory foam, but sometimes it can be pretty thick. And once you get out of the shower, you just kind of like sink your feet into it, and it just feels so nice, so comfortable. I honestly look forward to it every time I step out of the shower. I look for my mat, step on it, and I'm like, oh man, you know what, that's nice. That's a good feeling. Sounds so stupid, but it feels so good. Number 4, kind of the same vibe, the same luxurious, soft, plush feeling is soft towels. A lot of guys tend to have the same bath towel for years. They are falling apart. It's like sandpaper at this point. It's not soft. It looks like garbage. There's like little strings of fabric coming out of the towel. There's stains of I don't even want to know what. It's time for an upgrade, my dude. Just get a set of nice soft towels, right? And then maybe like change them once a year. Once a year is okay. If you want to change them more often, great, right? New towels just have that feeling that you're a lot more plush, a lot softer. And of course, you're rubbing your body with it every day, sometimes multiple times a day. So highly recommend you change out your towels at least every year. Do not be that guy with that old towel that's hanging by a thread and that looks horrible. Again, pretty affordable, and the feeling, the benefit that you get from it is outstanding. So highly recommend you get nice soft towels, not only for you, but for any guests as well. The 5th thing that you definitely need in your bathroom to make it look nicer and more masculine is a toiletry bag, AKA a DOP kit. And this is kind of a 2-in-1. So basically the toiletry bag looks good on your counter, right? So you can have your go-to products right there. It serves as storage, but also it's great for on the go. Right? I have my toiletry bag in my bathroom with all of my products that are to go. So whenever I go on a trip, whenever I go anywhere that I need to take my products with, sometimes I go on photo shoots or video shoots and I need to take my hair products or skincare products, I have everything in there. I just grab it and I go. Don't be that guy that has a grocery bag with all of your skincare products and your hair products. It does not look good. It looks like childish, right? So it's time to be a grown-up. Get a toiletry bag. Not very expensive. We do have them at Forte series. I'll also link that one below. I think it looks really good and the size is perfect. So if you want to get that one, pretty affordable, I'll link it below. And I know the title says 5 things, but I'm gonna give you a bonus one, and that is a new shower head. A new shower head, it just completely changes your experience in the bathroom, in the shower. Honestly, it makes you feel like you're at a spa. And again, it's one of those things that actually not that expensive. You can get a really nice shower head for, you know, 20, 30, maybe up to like 60 bucks for a really nice one that massages your back while you're taking a shower. Completely worth it. Guys, please don't forget to check out apricasskincare.com. It's the first link in the description below. You know, I worked so hard on these products, and putting my name on something is always a little nerve-wracking to me. It's always a little scary because all I have here on this channel in my career is my word, right? So if I'm putting my name on something that doesn't work, that's not good, that's gonna cause issues, then I lose that. I lose the trust that you guys have in me. And that's not okay with me. So I wanna make sure that you guys absolutely love this product. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. We have a subscription system that if you sign up, you get 20% off plus free shipping. And we've been working on these for a very long time. They're not white label, they're completely formulated from scratch. So go check it out. It's the first link below. I'm sure your skin is going to look stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Peace.